Hey guys, if you want to turn off the screen and keep the audio running on Philips Saphi TVs, you need to do the following. Press Home button on the remote, go up, then right, then down, and go to the right until you see Screen Off. Press OK, wait for a few seconds, and both Ambilight and screen will be turned off, but the audio will keep coming from TV's speakers. Also in this mode you can adjust volume without screen coming back on, so up and down works perfectly, and you can also mute sound. Now if you want Ambilight at this stage, you need to press Ambilight button and it will come to this follow audio mode. If you want static version, you just press Ambilight again. Currently I have it in this blue mode. If I press Ambilight again, it will be turned off completely. Now if I press any button, for example arrow right, you see Ambilight again and you see picture. You can adjust Ambilight lounge mode right now if you press Ambilight button and go to lounge light, and here you have different options. So whichever option you select, once the screen is off, you will see that light, that color of the light. So if you don't want to be distracted by picture, you can use this option. You will also save energy this way. I measured 100 watts with screen turned on, and with screen turned off it's around 15 watts, so 85% reduction. So another benefit in using this option. Guys, that's it for this video. If you know some quicker way to turn off the screen and keep audio running, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!